Okay, so we're on to question 12, which is this one here. So the variables x, y, and z are used to store data in a program. X stores this, y stores that, z stores this. And then write the pseudocode statements to declare the variables x, y, and z. So this is really going to be, these seem to be like it's going to be a pseudocode question. Now, declarations we don't need to include generally in our programs for IGCSE. However, we do need to be able to do it if asked directly. So when you're doing any other question, you don't need to declare things as a general rule, unless it says so. But in this case, they're asking us to show how to declare stuff in pseudocode. Now, pseudocode is supposed to be informal, so in theory, as long as you have the right details, it will be correct. But let's try and do it as they would expect, if they were writing it. Okay, so when we do it, we should, let's do declare x as string. Okay, so we could do declare x as string, or we could do it like that, declare x string. Yeah, easy enough. Y stores the position in the string, e.g. 2. So what data type is that going to be? Well, we're going to declare y, and we're going to declare it as an integer. Yay! Z stores the number of characters in the string. Well, again, declare. If it's a number, we have to ask ourselves. So again, if it's a whole number, like 7, that's going to equal an integer. If it is a decimal number, I don't know how to describe it, but if it has a point, then it's going to be real. So in this case, the number of characters in a string, can you have point numbers of characters? No, you can't. So Z is also going to be an integer. Okay. Yeah, that one seems fairly easy. Suspiciously easy. I feel like I'm missing something, but it should be okay. I just want to check the marking scheme now, actually, because I feel like I'm missing something. No, okay, as best. I get suspicious when questions are too easy. All right. Okay, so then we have more pseudocode. And the point in this pseudocode is to see if you can follow their instructions. So, the function length x finds the length of a string. The function substring x, y, z finds a substring of x starting at position y and z, characters long. The character in x is position 1. Okay, so write the pseudocode statements to store the string programming is fun in x. Find the length of the string and output it, and extract the word fun from the string and output it. So later you'll see this is usually called mid inside of it. And it's similar in Python to when we do something like, so that last one, so length that they're using there is equivalent to len in Python. And the other one they're asking substring is actually usually called mid, but they're trying to hide that. And basically that's similar to, but not the same as having something like x from character 0 to 3. Okay, so, 0 to 3. So that's when we splice a string. We can do it like that in Python. Okay, but what's this question actually asking us? So, we need to store programming is fun in x. So all we have to do there is x equals, remember our quotation marks, programming is fun. Okay, then we need to find the length of the string and output it. So our string is x, So we need to do length of x. Nice and easy. However, we want to print it, so we need to output. We need to output it. Okay. Find the length of the string and output it. Extract the word fun from the string and output it. Okay, so if we wanted to extract the word string, we could. So what we have to do is we have to do substring. Now, what variable do we want to extract it from? Well, we want to extract it from x, comma. Okay, now, what is the starting character going to be? Now here the trick is to remember to count the spaces. So P is 1, R is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, now please double check that, but let's say that's 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16. And how long is that character? How long is this word here? Well, it's 3. So we want to return 3 characters. Now we also need to extract the word fun from the string and output that substring. Now, it's possible they want us to be using Y and Z because they've given them to us for a reason, I'm guessing. So I'm guessing that the actual marking scheme maybe says something like Y equals length of X and output Y. I mean, that's going to be lowercase and uppercase, but it's just a stupid word, not word. Google Docs messing with my brain here. Okay, and then possibly this one's going to be Z equals substring, and then we're going to output Z. Okay, so, and is that the end of that question? Is there a C? Nope, it's not. Okay, so hopefully that's the right answer. Okay, now I already made a video of this one earlier, so I'll add it to the list, playlist, but hopefully you've already seen that one. And then that's the full paper. So if you get a paper like this, it's not hard, but as you've seen, especially on this big 15 marker, it's easy to make mistakes. You don't need to get full marks on this to get through it, but the other ones, yeah, it's a pretty nice paper on the whole. Okay, anyway, good luck with your exams.